Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at three top features of this, the Bluicer from Sage. It's a powerful blender and juicer in one, it's got a large chute and jug, and it's not just for drinks. I'm off to the test lab at the studio to try it out and show you what it can do. So I'm here in the lab and here is the Bluicer from Sage. Now the first thing we're going to look at is that it's a powerful juicer and blender in one. Now this blender is really versatile. It's got its kinetics blade and bowl system, which is cleverly designed because it pulls everything into the center to make sure you get smooth results every time. And the juicer is able to juice waste in no time at all. Now the reason I say waste is because in the kitchen we all have waste, and I'm going to show you how you can make a drink using that waste. Now here we've got some celery. Normally you'd throw this bit away. However, we're going to put it in there and make a lovely drink. We've also got some carrot peel, parsnip peel, we've got your lime, your lemon, we've got an apple. Normally you'd throw the peel away, but that's where the goodness is. So we're going to put it all in there, we're going to juice it and make a really lovely drink. Got an apple, don't need to peel it, pop it in. Got a bit of your broccoli here, normally you'd throw this away. Got your pineapple. Don't need to take the skin off the pineapple, just chuck it straight in. Got a lemon and a lime, and then we've got lots of peel in here. That was really powerful, that's really impressive. So the final thing I want to put in the drink is a banana, however you can't juice a banana. So that's great about this because I can now remove this, turn it into a blender, and then we're going to blend this into the drink as well. Remove this, get rid of the pulp. It all goes in the dishwasher, which is great. Pop that on, lock it into place, and we can just remove the lid. Pop the banana in whole. Really important to make sure you shut this. So that was on the smoothie setting, which lasts for 60 seconds, and it makes sure that everything is blended through the different settings that it goes through. So let's pop that there. So there you go. Who wants to try a no peel, no waste smoothie?
Cheers.
Cheers. That's actually really nice.
It's got a bit of a kick, isn't it?
I can taste the pineapple in that, that's lovely. So if I hadn't just used the Bluicer to make that drink out of all of that waste, all of the peel and the waste from the food, that bin would have been full. But instead, all I'm putting in there is the banana skin. So we've cleaned the Bluicer using auto clean, which means we're ready to talk about the large chute and the large jug. Now the large chute is great because it means there's less prep involved when it comes to your ingredients, and the blender has a 1.5 litre capacity, which means it's large enough if you want to make drinks for your family, but it's also large enough if you want to make the same drink for yourself for a couple of days. You've also got the Sage Vac Q, which removes the oxygen from the blender and it keeps your drinks lasting that little bit longer. Now, I've put some ice in the blender because who doesn't like a cold drink, but we're going to start with the juicing. So that's the juicing part. Let's now move on, ready to blend. You've got your avocado, we've got walnuts, you've also got a squeeze of honey as well. And there we have an avocado spice. Who wants to try one?
Cheers.
So in there, you've got the walnuts. You can taste them, but you can't feel them. I've used the Bluicer to make 2 drinks today, but it's not just drinks you can make with it. You can make nut milks, you can make salsa, sauces, frozen cocktail. And with this celery, for example, you can even make some hummus to go with it. If you'd like to find out more information about the Bluicer from Sage, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of my colleagues on the Shop Live video call.